If you enjoyed the snowball to the face, this is my remastered cold start video. If you haven't seen that video, I highly suggest you go back and watch it. That way you understand why this video has been remastered by that guy Mike with a bow tie. The name was different back then. I don't even know what it was. Like daily vlogs and bi-weekly mods. Super lame. Go back and watch the video. It'll be at the end card. In this video, I'm going to be going over what I did to install the glass pack without a welder, and my opinion on the glass pack 1 year later. But first, I got to get coffee, so stay tuned. Let's go.
Remember those days, those L's, I couldn't sleep right now. I get paid, fake game, staying B-side. Breaking the blues over steak, I gotta eat right. Energy around me, I just need sun, so please get from around me. When the truth don't work, you start telling lies. Thought you were down to ride, you weren't down to ride. Caught switching, you were picking sides. Don't blink, caught slipping like a slip and slide. I was shooting dice till I got it. Took an L, should've put it in the whole frame. Lord, forgive me for my sins, don't know of me. Scary thoughts, I got scary thoughts. Lost control, now I'm taking charge. Breaking bills, friends breaking off. You could be the youngest, I'm the dog. Kiss the ring now. In the scene like GOT. Stay awake, don't sleep. Like Jon Snow, get R.I.P. Remember those days, those L's, I couldn't sleep right now. I get paid, fake game, staying B-side. Breaking the blues over steak, I gotta eat right. You could be my peace sign.
Alright guys, no coffee here. I'm gonna have to go somewhere else. Stay tuned a little longer.
Just me, myself, and I'm my favorite threesome. The cars I drive by, I never lease them. They say if you can't beat them, then you join them. That's no option, I don't join, I always beat them. I was making, had to find me. Now I'm on me, skating like I'm grinding. L hit me, said it's all about the timing. If you want the vision, get to spinning. My mama told me trust in God, it's never limits. Now I'm on the scoreboard, running up the digits. I put in work, you know I'm up to get it. Early bird gets the worm and
Alright guys, just like that, we are back. Got the coffee. Took a drink. I feel magical rainbows inside. I don't know if you guys ever feel that feeling.
Magical rainbows.
I love magical rainbows.
And coffee beans. So this Signal gas station got an actual machine with coffee beans that grind up for you. And then really good gas station coffee. Hot. Alright guys, I will be back with alright guys, I'll be back with you as soon as I get to the house. And I'm gonna make some cinnamon rolls. I might put that in the video. I don't know. We'll see. But either way, stay tuned, because I know you want to hear about how to install a cherry bomb glass pack without a welder. Freaking awesome, dude.
Second week, even though I'm leaving, now time for Tell Me Something Good. It's time for the good news.
Alright guys, we're back home now. Gonna run inside real fast, and then I will be going over everything with you guys, so don't leave. To install the glass pack, super simple. All I did was I went to O'Reilly's. You have to go to O'Reilly's or this will not work. You have to go to O'Reilly's. So I went to O'Reilly's. I bought 2 clamps, 2 of them. I got my cherry bomb glass pack from AutoZone, O'Reilly's. Sad day. Got the clamps, got home. I had to cut 3 slits in the top of the pipe. That way I could slide the glass pack over my stock exhaust. I cut the muffler off, and I slid the glass pack over the stock exhaust with the slits in it. I then took exhaust tape, like just regular black exhaust tape, and I wrapped it around the joint. Then after that, I marked my location where I knew the slits were, and I took a clamp. I took 2 clamps, put one on each side. I put one at the very end where the slits were, and I put one at the beginning of the slits, towards the back of the glass pack. And I just tightened it down, and that's all I did. And here we are 1 year later, no problems, never fell off. Truck sounds good, runs good. I'll go ahead and get under the truck now and show you guys what I did. But give me a like, because there's snow like all over the ground and it's muddy, and I'm about to crawl under the truck and show you guys what I did. So I put my big heavy jacket on so I don't get my hoodie dirty. It's probably gonna get dirty. So anyways, let's get under the truck. So the pipe is cut off midway. Look how muddy that is. Dirty. Alright. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna quit thinking about it now. I'm gonna lay on my back and crawl under the truck. I definitely picked the wrong day to make this video about what I did installing my glass pack. That spot over there is pretty dry. I could pull the truck up there, but that would take too long. See if I just do it now and quit thinking about it. Just 3, 2, 1. Alright. There we go. Alright. So, there's the cherry bomb glass pack. There's the exhaust tape. There's the clamps. You notice how the clamp goes over the exhaust tape? Just for safety measures. Just to make sure it doesn't come off. Never had a problem with it at all. I cut slits in the top of in the pipes right there, like at the end of the pipe. That's where I cut slits over on this side, so that way I can slide it over my stock exhaust. Cherry bomb glass packs are meant to be welded, not clamped. But I don't have a welder, and I didn't want to pay somebody to weld it for me right now because I didn't have the money. So I ghetto engineered it to work, and it works. So all for the video. Yay! Alright, so my opinion on the glass pack. I love it. Sounds good, runs good. When I cut the muffler off, I drove around like that for about a month, but the sound just wasn't. It's like you step on the gas, and this was before I got the truck tuned, so you step on the gas and it just got loud. It wasn't going nowhere. So I put the glass pack on it, and it helped it actually feel like it was going somewhere when you stepped on the gas, because it wasn't just screaming and not moving. So now that it's tuned, I'm sure if I take the glass pack off, it'll move a little quicker. I might actually do that one day, just because I'm curious what the truck sounds like now with the tune and with the glass pack off. So I might do that towards the summertime or on a warm day. Really, that's it for the video, guys. I ain't really got nothing else to say. This is just a super quick video. Just wanted to show you guys what I did. Let you guys know how you could do it if you wanted to. Install the cherry bomb glass pack on your truck. I've been wondering what a glass pack would sound like on the Infinity. I think it would sound super sweet. Thinking about doing that as well sometime soon. And cherry bomb glass packs, they don't cost much. I paid like $36 for mine, if that. It may have been cheaper than that. And that was at the store. You could probably get it on Amazon a lot cheaper. So, alright guys, that's gonna be it for the video. Hope you enjoyed it. I know it wasn't very long. I really wish I would have recorded that video of me installing it for you guys, but back then I was just kind of not really all the way fully sure if I was gonna make videos or not. Kind of embarrassed and whatnot, but not anymore. Now I make videos. I think I make pretty cool videos. I'm sure they'll get better once I get better at being on camera, but I'm learning. It's super cold outside. I need to go inside and warm my feet up and edit this video and start on another video. Yay me. Yep, that's it guys. Everyone's having a great night, great day, and that's it for the video, so bye.